Hey folks, did you notice the comfortable start to today? Temperatures this morning down close to 70 for the first time in a long time. Most of the valley stayed 70 or above, but still cooler than normal and much less humid than usual. These are the current temperatures. Port Isabel's 87, 90 Brownsville, 91 in Raymondville. Weslaco's still a little cooler at 86 and Rio Grande City at 94. These are your dew points. They're still in the 60s every place but Brownsville and along the coast, and that's still a relatively comfortable reading for this time of year. Yes, it's up in the muggy range, but again, in July, we're usually up here in the mid-70s, and that makes a big difference, and you can feel it when you step outside, especially this evening once the sun sets. You'll be able to tell just not quite what we're used to in July. A little bit drier than that, a little bit less humid. Overnight tonight, temperatures are going to bottom out in the low to mid-70s again, so just a little bit cooler than normal. The beach stays 79, and then tomorrow, now we're back in the 90s again. 88 at the island, 90 Brownsville, 91 in Harlingen, mid to upper 90s as you move westward, but still humidity is not bad. Northeast winds at about 10 to 15. That wind will eventually turn to the southeast, though. When that happens, temperatures start to go up. Saturday, Sunday, 95. 96, back to normal by the time we get through the weekend, temperature-wise. Now, over deep South Texas, it's been quiet today. Some showers just offshore, but over the valley, a lot of clouds, but not much actual rain this afternoon. Most of it has stayed away. So with this slightly drier air, we just see a few more clouds come in tonight. And I think tomorrow we'll see spotty showers around the region. Nothing widespread, but spotty stuff, certainly a possibility, about a 30% chance for tomorrow. You go into Saturday, and again, isolated showers, probably less active than tomorrow, but yes, there'll be something around. And then Sunday we see a mix of clouds and sun and maybe a brief sea breeze shower, not much more than that. So tomorrow the best chance at 30%, we go 20% on Saturday, then by Sunday we go mainly dry, so a 10% chance or less. Now there's a lot of moisture just offshore, but it's going to stay there for the most part. This is the old frontal boundary sitting right down in through here. And that boundary will eventually push back to the north and move through as a warm front. Not so much tomorrow, but tomorrow night into Saturday, races northward. That brings the warmer air back in, but notice the moisture lingers in the area, so spotty showers continue to be a possibility. Eventually that front breaks up back in Texas, and that'll be the end of that, and the chance of rain will begin to diminish. May not go completely away, though, for the next several days. The Gulf of Mexico, the Hurricane Center has been watching this old frontal boundary to see if maybe something's going to develop there, but they've taken it off the charts. They say now nothing expected. Conditions a little bit hostile for things to develop out here. A lot of shear. Nothing expected to pop up in the Gulf, at least not in the next 3 to 5 days. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, mostly cloudy with a spotty shower, 72 for your low. Tomorrow back up to 93 degrees with spotty showers, a thunderstorm. Again, your chance of rain tomorrow stands at about 30%. Saturday 95, Sunday 96, and then next week we stay in the mid to upper 90s. Can't rule out an isolated shower at least through Tuesday, then probably drier by the middle part of next week. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.